Hi everyone, I'm Vicki from Me Time, and thank you so much for joining me today in our June's Hoop Studio unboxing. I can't wait to show you what you're going to be making this month. So first I'm going to show you what you're getting in your box, and then we're going to talk about the projects. So this month you are getting in your beautiful envelope a bunch of fun stuff. So first you're going to get fabrics, of course, and we are featuring 2 Kimberbell fabrics and also a poppy cotton fabric that have really cute patterns. And just look at these beautiful colors, perfect for June, right? And you will also receive project batting and this very fun materials pack in a water-soluble pen, because you're going to be needing this to complete the projects. So in this materials pack, you will see, you're probably wondering what that orange thing in the box, in the back is. It actually is a silicone ring that you can put around your wrist. And you will also get ribbon that has a coordinating color with the zipper. Very cute colors. And then you're going to be getting your hardware, which contains 2 D-rings and a magnetic closure button. And this has a gold color. Let me show you like this. It's very cute. And all of the hardware coordinates so that it can look nice. So you will also get, of course, your full colored instructions and your content card. And now I'm going to show you what you will be creating. I love this design, this project, because it's cute, but it's also very functional. It's giftable, it's easy to stitch, and it's all done in the hoop. You will be creating this beautiful card holder with this magnetic closure clasp where you can insert cards. It has these pockets, and you will also create this lip balm holder. You can also use this to maybe carry change or cash or whatever you really want. And both have a coordinating quilting on top of them. Super cute. And I love how this is just so fast to stitch. It's done in the hoop. And our fresh technique for this month is creating an in the hoop flap that has a magnetic closure. Just like that. Oop, there, you see? You can do these in a 5x7 hoop. And yeah, you just carry them around. I am someone that is always losing their accessories and keys in their purse. So this is perfect to just carry around like this. Let me know what you think. I am so excited about this month. And yeah, please share it on our Facebook page, and can't wait to see what you create. And to finish this unboxing video, of course, we're going to finish with a giveaway. The winner will win project batting, because you're going to need that for this month's project. And you're going to also get a seam ripper, because there are also, you always need seam rippers, right? And then an extra water-soluble pen, and then the thread color. This is the cream thread that you can add and use in your projects. So to enter, you just need to answer the following question, and it's, what will you carry in your Holly's handbag accessories? This is this month's Hoop Studio, Holly's Handbags accessories. So just tell me what you will carry inside. So thank you so much. Thanks for joining, and I hope you enjoy some well-deserved me time.